Welcome to our channel Top List show. Today, we're diving into the rich and captivating world of Italy. From the snow-capped peaks of the Alps to the sun-drenched shores of Sicily, this nation is a tapestry woven from history, culture, and natural wonders. Over centuries, this land has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, been the cradle of artistic movements that redefined Western civilization, and to this day, continues to captivate the world with its unique charm. Join me as we journey through time and across breathtaking landscapes to uncover 10 fascinating facts about Italy you probably didn't know. Our exploration of Italy begins with its history, a narrative as compelling and dramatic as any opera staged within its borders. For millennia, this land has been a crucible of civilization, a central stage where empires rose and fell, leaving behind a legacy etched in stone, art, and the very fabric of Italian society. From the Etruscans to the grandeur of the Roman Empire, whose influence on law, language, and architecture still resonates today, Italy's past is a tangible presence. Imagine standing amongst the ruins of Pompeii, frozen in time by the eruption of Vesuvius, or walking the streets of Rome where ancient temples stand shoulder to shoulder with bustling piazzas. The Roman Empire may have crumbled centuries ago, but its legacy lives on in Italy's DNA. The Renaissance, that period of unparalleled artistic and intellectual flourishing, dawned in Florence, spreading its light across Europe. No exploration of Italy would be complete without indulging in its legendary cuisine. Italian cooking is an art form, a celebration of fresh seasonal ingredients transformed into dishes that tantalize the palate. From the simple perfection of a margherita pizza to the delicate flavors of a perfectly cooked risotto. Originating in Naples, pizza, with its crispy crust, tangy tomato sauce, and melted mozzarella, has conquered the world. And then there's pasta, a culinary chameleon served with hearty meat sauces, fresh seafood, or simply tossed with garlic, olive oil, and Parmesan cheese. It's the aroma of freshly baked bread, the delicate sweetness of gelato, the robust flavor of a perfectly pulled espresso. It's the joy of sharing a meal with family and friends, the laughter and conversation that flow as freely as the wine. Italy's artistic heritage is as vast and awe-inspiring as the Colosseum itself. From the frescoes of Pompeii to the sculptures of Michelangelo, this nation has been a beacon of creativity for millennia, shaping the course of Western art. Our journey begins in the cradle of the Renaissance, Florence. Artists like Leonardo da Vinci, a true Renaissance man, excelled in painting, sculpture, science, and engineering, leaving behind a legacy that continues to inspire awe. Gaze upon the enigmatic smile of the Mona Lisa, housed in the Louvre Museum, a testament to Da Vinci's mastery of light and shadow. No exploration of Italian art would be complete without encountering the genius of Michelangelo. In the Sistine Chapel, his awe-inspiring frescoes depicting scenes from the Book of Genesis adorn the ceiling, a testament to his artistic vision and physical endurance. The legacy of these masters lives on, not only in the museums and galleries that house their works, but also in the countless artists they inspired and the generations who continue to be captivated by their genius. Italy is a land where history quite literally comes to life, where ancient ruins stand as silent witnesses to bygone eras and architectural marvels rise above bustling cityscapes. Our first stop takes us to the heart of ancient Rome, to the Colosseum, a colossal amphitheater that once echoed with the roar of gladiatorial combat and the cheers of up to 80,000 spectators. Imagine the clash of swords, the dust rising from the arena, the thrill of the games that captivated the Roman Empire. A short distance away, we encounter the Roman Forum, once the bustling center of Roman political, religious, and social life. No trip to Italy is complete without a visit to the Leaning Tower of Pisa. This iconic bell tower, with its unintended tilt, has become a symbol of Italy's charm and architectural ingenuity. From Pisa, we journey north to Florence, a city that embodies the spirit of the Renaissance. Italy has long been synonymous with style, a place where fashion isn't just an industry, but a way of life. From the luxurious fabrics of Milan to the skilled craftsmanship of Florentine leatherworkers, Italy has an undeniable influence on the world of fashion. Our journey through Italian fashion begins in Milan, the undisputed fashion capital of Italy and a global trendsetter. Here, fashion houses like Gucci, Prada, Armani, and Versace showcase their latest collections, setting the standard for style and sophistication. Milan Fashion Week, held twice a year, is a spectacle of creativity and innovation, where designers, models, and fashion enthusiasts from around the globe converge to witness the latest trends unfold. But Italian fashion is more than just runway shows and designer labels. It's the attention to detail, the quality of the fabrics, the legacy of craftsmanship passed down through generations. Beyond the glamour of Milan, we discover a world of artisanal excellence throughout Italy. In Florence, skilled leather workers craft exquisite handbags, belts, and shoes, using traditional techniques passed down through generations. Italy's passion for beauty, design, and speed finds its ultimate expression in its automotive industry. From the sleek lines of a Ferrari to the powerful roar of a Lamborghini engine, Italian cars are more than just vehicles. They're works of art on wheels, embodying a legacy of engineering excellence and a quest for automotive perfection. Our journey begins in Maranello, the home of Ferrari, a name synonymous with speed, luxury, and the thrill of Formula One racing. Here, skilled engineers and craftsmen hand-build some of the world's most coveted sports cars. From Maranello, we travel to Santa Agata Bolognese, the birthplace of Lamborghini, another iconic Italian brand known for its flamboyant designs and powerful engines. Lamborghinis are not for the faint of heart. They're statements of power, style, and individuality. But Italy's automotive prowess extends beyond these two iconic brands. Maserati, with its history steeped in racing heritage, crafts elegant and powerful sports cars that exude a sense of understated luxury. From the snow-capped peaks of the Alps to the sun-drenched beaches of Sicily, Italy is a land of diverse landscapes. Our journey begins in the north, amidst the towering peaks and pristine valleys of the Italian Alps. As we descend from the Alps, we encounter the rolling hills of Tuscany, a landscape from a Renaissance painting. No exploration of Italy's beauty is complete without the Amalfi Coast, a breathtaking stretch of coastline. Sheer cliffs plunge into the Tyrrhenian Sea, colorful villages cling to the hillsides, and the air is filled with the scent of lemons. And let's not forget Sardinia, with its pristine beaches, crystal-clear waters, and rugged interior. Italy is a country that knows how to celebrate, where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern life, and festivals transform towns and cities into vibrant stages for cultural expression. Our journey begins in Venice, the city of canals and bridges, during Carnevale, a time of masked balls, elaborate costumes, and a touch of mystery. Imagine yourself strolling through St. Mark's Square, surrounded by a sea of masked revelers, the air filled with music, laughter, and the scent of frying sweets. From Venice, we travel to Ivrea, a small town in Piedmont, for the Battle of the Oranges, a unique and exhilarating event that dates back to the Middle Ages. No exploration of Italian festivals would be complete without experiencing the Palio di Siena, a historic horse race held twice a year in the heart of Siena. Imagine a city divided into 17 contrade or districts each, with its own colors, symbols, and fierce rivalry. But Italian festivals are not just about spectacle and entertainment. They're also deeply rooted in religious traditions and local customs. During Holy Week, processions wind their way through towns and cities across Italy, commemorating the Passion of Christ with solemn rituals and moving displays of faith. Italy's contributions to science and technology are as significant as its artistic and cultural achievements. From the groundbreaking discoveries of Galileo Galilei to the artistic and engineering genius of Leonardo da Vinci, Italian minds have shaped our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Our journey through Italy's scientific legacy begins in Pisa, with Galileo Galilei, a towering figure of the scientific revolution. Galileo's observations with the telescope challenged the long-held geocentric view of the universe, paving the way for a new understanding of our place in the cosmos. From Pisa, we travel to Florence, the birthplace of Leonardo da Vinci, a true Renaissance man whose genius transcended disciplines. Da Vinci's notebooks are filled with sketches and observations that reveal a mind brimming with ideas, from anatomical studies to designs for flying machines. But Italy's scientific contributions extend far beyond these two iconic figures. Italy's musical heritage is as rich and varied as its landscapes, a tapestry of sound woven from ancient traditions, operatic grandeur, and the timeless melodies of classical composers. Our journey begins in Florence, the birthplace of opera, a dramatic art form that combines music, singing, acting, and spectacle. Imagine yourself seated in the opulent Teatro della Pergola, one of the oldest opera houses in the world, as the curtain rises on a performance of Verdi's Aida or Puccini's La Bohème. From Florence, we travel to Milan, home to the Teatro alla Scala, one of the most famous opera houses in the world. La Scala has hosted some of the greatest opera singers of all time. From Maria Callas to Luciano Pavarotti, its stage a hallowed ground for operatic excellence. But Italian music is more than just opera. Italy has produced some of the most renowned composers in history. From the Baroque period of Vivaldi and Corelli to the classical era of Rossini, Bellini and Donizetti. And let's not forget the influence of Italian folk music with its regional variations and traditional instruments. Arrivederci, Italia. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Italy's fascinating facts. We've explored its ancient history, its artistic triumphs, its culinary delights, and its breathtaking landscapes. But Italy is more than just a collection of facts and figures. It's a country that captures the heart and soul, a place where passion, creativity, and a zest for life infuse every aspect of daily living. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content. Arrivederci.